Hi viewers, today we are doing some problems related to multiplication. We are multiplying a number with a one digit number. First one we are doing without carry over. First question is 24 into 2. 2 is a one digit number and 24 is a two digit number. We are multiplying with 2. I am going to write the number 24 into 2. 4 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. We are multiplying 2 into 4 equal to 8. 8 I am writing in the ones place. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 I am writing in the tens place. Therefore, the answer is 48. 53 into 3. 53 is a two digit number and 3 is a one digit number. Writing 53 into 3. 3 is in the ones place and 5 is in the tens place. 3 threes are 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. Writing in the ones place and 3 into 5, that is 15, we are writing here. The answer is 159. Another example, 341 into 2. Writing 341 into 2. 2 into 1. 2 is in the ones place and 1 is in the ones place. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. We are writing in the ones place 2 into 4. It is 8. In the tens place we are writing 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. Therefore, 341 into 2 is equal to 682. Next example, 2341 into 2. It's a four digit number. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundred place and 2 is in the thousands place. We are multiplying by 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4, 8. We are writing in the tens place. Next one is 2 into 3, 6. It is in the hundreds place. Last one is 2 into 2, 4. 4 we are writing in the thousands place. Therefore, the answer is 4682. Next one, we are discussing with how to multiply two numbers with carryover. First one, 218 into 4. 218 is a three digit number and 4 is a one digit number. Writing 218 into 4. 8 is in the ones place, 1 is in the tens place, 2 is in the hundreds place. Now we are multiplying. 4 into 8. 8 is 32. Here 2 we are writing in the ones place and 3 we are taking it as a carryover. 2 we are writing and 3 is the carryover. Next one is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 equal to 4. The carryover is there. Therefore, we are adding the carryover 3. Now we got the answer 7. We are writing in the tens place. Next one is 4 into 2. It is equal to 8. Therefore, the answer is 872. Next one is 432 into 4. Writing 432 into 4. We are multiplying with 4. First one 4 into 2. 4 into 2 equal to 8. We are writing here. Next one is 4 into 3. It is 12. 2 only we are writing and 1 we are taking it as a carryover. 2 we are writing in the tens place. Next one 4 into 4 is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. We are writing 70. Therefore, the answer is 1728. Another example, 502 into 6. Writing 502 into 6. We have to multiply by 6. 6 into 2, 12. We are writing 2 in the ones place and we are taking 1 as carryover. 2 we are writing here. 1 is the carryover. Next one is 6 into 0. We know that it is 0. 1 is the carryover. Adding 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 we are writing. 6 into 5. 30. Therefore, the answer is 3012. Another example, 340 into 7. 340 into 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 4, 28. 8 we are writing. 2 we are taking it as carryover. 7 into 3. 21. 21 plus the 2 carryover, 23. Answer is 2380. Thank you.